Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I came to Fred Meyer for my grocery, and guess what? They have decked out the store for Valentine Day, and I can't wait to show you their amazing collection. Love is in the air. As soon as I walked in, I was greeted with the sweetest Valentine vibes. From chocolates to flowers, balloons, cupcakes, cookies, and adorable gift items. Fred Meyer actually have everything you need to make this day special. I was not expecting that. Look at these gorgeous balloons. They have beautiful balloons from smaller size to the bigger size, heart-shaped, amazing collection. Look at these gorgeous roses. Whether it's a single rose or a stunning bouquet, Fred Meyer has the perfect flower to express your love. Summer is going to come and I can see so many flowers blooming already in here. The smell, the energy, and the freshness of flower cheers up my mood. For Valentine's Day, flowers often take center stage as a classic symbol of love and romance. If you don't know, stores like Fred Meyer actually offer a wide variety of bouquets, including pre-made bouquets, single stem roses, arrangement in heart-shaped vases for this festive touch. I'm absolutely loving these heart-shaped balloons, and the fresh flower arrangements are stunning. Those red roses, oh my god. Those tulips, and the mixed bouquets, they all have got it all. Imagine surprises someone with these special and romantic touch. Look at these beautifully decorated Valentine's Day cookies and cupcakes. They are so festive. I love how they have added pink and red and heart-shaped design. These are perfect for treating yourself or sharing the loved ones. The good part about these cookies are they are not expensive. They are just $4.99. So you can gift it to your friends, families, or you can also give it at your kid's school. The other kids can enjoy, the teachers. It's the time to show love. I have literally gone to all the aisles to see what all collection they have for this Valentine Day. I was not prepared that I'm going to be surprised by all these pink, white, red color Valentine Day special from Fred Meyer's. Well, Valentine Day without some sweet treats? Fred Meyer has an incredible selection of candies and chocolates, from heart-shaped boxes to gourmet truffles. There is something for everyone, whether you're shopping for a romantic gift or just want to satisfy your sweet tooth. It's really crazy these days. There are so many varieties of chocolates, different shape, different taste. Everything is so tempting. This was one of the sections specially decorated for Valentine Days. They have scented candles for $5.99, a very good size of candle. They have these special chocolates for your loved ones just for $1.99, but they're giving it for $1.59. There are a few more candles for $7.99 from Tuscany. They also have amazing selection of Valentine Day cards and gift bags. Wow, so many options you have. The gift bags are so cute and perfect for wrapping up Valentine goodies. They are on sale. Everything is on sale. Whether you want something sweet, funny, or heartfelt, you will find it here. Look at this holiday home Valentine Day decor. I love that light pink color shade and these amazing collection. They also have these pillows, and I'll show you the price. It's for $10. Let me go closer and check this out. They also have amazing selection of Valentine Day Soft toys, the perfect cuddly gift to make your Valentine smile. Just for $4.99, I found these wreaths at one corners, like all of them were at one place. Just look at these adorable plushies, soft toys, whether it's a teddy bear or a stuffed heart. They make it such a thoughtful gift. Don't forget to grab a card to add a personal touch. I'm so impressed with the Fred Meyer's Valentine Day collection this year. Whether you're planning a romantic date, shopping for gifts, or just want to enjoy the festive vibe, they have got everything you need to make the day special. So what's your go-to Valentine gift? Let me know in the comments so that I can know what did you like the best in this trip. And also let me know in the comment like if you find the same items for a better price. I hope you're enjoying my video and checking the prices. Thank you for coming along on this Valentine's shopping trip with me. Let me know in the comments which section what's your favorite, the flowers, the chocolates, or maybe the cupcakes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun shopping content. I'll see you in the next video. Happy Valentine, everybody. Bye-bye.